possible today on the 24th of July 2023. But we have to get inside here, of course.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting sounds. This is on Porthaninkatu 11, staircase D. The staircases A and B have been filmed before.
Yeah, or you have filmed?
I filmed them before, yeah. It's only the staircase C left to be filmed here. It's with MP4 outside and MP6 inside, built in 1961. Maybe the basement floor is locked, but I'm not sure. Oh, no, it's all 260 is all in 2021 and the capacity is 3 versus at 2 white frames. Silver such 8776. It's going to be, it should have been inspected in 2022, but it was delayed, and this one is in both official languages, as it should be.
Yeah.
It's in a county of Helsinki, Helsingfors, Helsinki and Finland. Also somebody wrote there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love the smell in here.
Same here.
And the sound surrounds.
Yeah. Yeah.
So let's see if it will be maybe right here.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry, I just... That didn't matter.
Ja, spektiitpaakin väistytään, että meidän eteenpäin Suomen hissiurakointi.
That's the December session, so that's it. Thank you very much. After 2019 they will not organize.
That's